Alright, I think I hit the button. Hey. 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 Hold on. Hold on. Hey. 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 Alright, this thing's on. Alright. I think the camera's on too because it's got that red light. Got that little red light right there. You know how I know that red light's important because what happens is the CIA spies on you, and that's how they let you know. Here's the deal. All right, I'm seeing a bunch of confusion on Facebook about research and stuff. I think I'm supposed to look here. Hold on. There's my. All right, so my finger's pointing, and I'm look up. Okay, so I ain't looking where my finger is. All right. Anyways, here's the deal. Here's the deal. Listen. Look, you can't be looking stupid in front of friends, all right? Cause we're all a bunch of freedom fighters here, all right? We respect freedom, all right? And we want to make sure everybody's aware of their freedom. All right, now here's the deal. You can't be just showing stuff that doesn't say what you want to say. You know what I mean? All right, so here I'm going to show y'all how to Google search here. So first thing, I already got Google pulled up here. Where's that button here? All right, right there. All right, here we're going to zoom in a little bit. Now Google, you got to notice is already trying to like brainwash me a little bit. All right. Now, how oh crap! I can't say that. Nigerian. Yeah. Oh, okay. See, I was a little concerned there for a minute. We're gonna zoom in a little bit. Now, here's how you do that. You old people here. You want to hit that control key, the one that says CTRL. And then you can just use your little wheel mousey thing. Little wheel thing on your mouse. You can do that. And you can do this right here. Yeah, if you need to. If you can't see too good like I can. Alright, so anyways. Alright. So alright, I don't want to wear a mask, right? Because of my freedom. So why I don't want to wear to get married. I ain't got a choice there. I already am. Yeah. See, Google's trying to program you right there. I mean, I'm already married. Can't get me on that. Why I don't want to work? See, I don't want to work. But Google's trying to tell me why I don't want to do anything. Why I don't want to wear a mask. That's pertinent. And for y'all that don't understand that word at home, pertinent means like kind of like related to, like cousins. All right. Anyways, why do so many people refuse to wear a mask? Well, Market Watch, clearly, anything that says market or like, sometimes you can see the word watch, and that's pretty all right. But we don't want to see masks are like seatbelts. see what I'm saying about CNN? That's some stuff right there. Why do some people wear? So there we go. We can look up some stuff. And if you don't want to read any of this stuff, you can just post it. You know what I mean? And that's how that works. Why? All right. How about why should? Hold on. See right there. See, that's some Facebook programming right there is what I'm saying. There it is. See that? Why you should wear a mask. All right. But we're going to change it. All right. I'm teaching y'all some stuff right here. Why you shouldn't wear a mask. All right. See, it's this science right there. We can't have that. that's we gotta reject that already. Shit. Let's see, science, NBC. We don't look at that. Market. So we already covered market right there. 9 News Perth. I ain't never heard of that. So that's probably pretty good. So I mean you just look for stuff. Basically you look for stuff, and here's the deal. If it says science, it's probably not no good. And NBC or market, you got to watch out for that. Now, word watch every once in a while, that's pretty good, like Freedom Watch, or like Conspiracy Watch, or like Sasquatch Watch. Those are good. You can do those. But like you don't want to go crazy on this stuff. You got to hit them a little bit at a time with your knowledge, okay? Because you can lead a fool to drink, but you can't something with a horse. You know what I mean? So here's the deal. Here's the deal. Hold on. I think my wife's calling here. How do you answer this thing? All right, hold on. All right, I'm going to put her on speaker here. Hey, you're on speaker here. What? We're doing a video about why I shouldn't wear a mask, according to things I want to look up and confirm that. And you work in the medical field. Should I wear a mask? Yeah. Well, that's bullshit. You're lying. Hold on, y'all. She's lying. I'm gonna come back to you. Hold on. I'll be right back. Now, ain't that just some conspiracy bullshit? Just because she's in like some kind of medical field or some shit, dealing with people, that's garbage. You know what I mean? Listen, for real though, stop being stupid. If you noticed while I was scrolling through this stuff, I mean, it's hard to not see what you really need to be finding, which is wear a mask. So I challenge you. Take a napkin. I don't care. A paper towel. Bandana. Silly shit. Okay? And go and stand in front of a mirror or a window. Okay? We've all got mirrors. We've all got windows. There's no reason you can't do this whole experiment, okay? So you stand in front of your window or your mirror. Mirrors are best because you can like look at yourself and think how beautiful you are. And then cough on the mirror. And then sneeze on the mirror without anything in front of your face. All right? And then wipe it all off because you're going to have some stuff. And then do it with something over your face. And just see the difference, okay? That's what we're trying to do. Love you guys. Have some common sense, please. We're going to touch on confirmation bias and how it affects spirituality, too, in a really soon upcoming video. Stick around. Hit subscribe. My name's Chad Rushing. Be safe. Take care of your neighbor. All right? Love you all. Peace.